The concept of the end of times is a powerful belief in many religions, especially in Islam and Christianity. This concept refers to the final stage of the world, when oppression, corruption, and chaos reach their peak. It is during this time that humanity awaits the Savior, and light will triumph over darkness. The world will move towards peace and justice. In Islam, Imam Mahdi will appear to restore justice, peace, and truth. His appearance marks the end of a period of oppression and corruption, and the beginning of a new era of divine rule, an era where justice, fairness, and love will reign. Similarly, in Christianity, with the second coming of Jesus Christ, evil will be defeated, and justice and peace will prevail. The end of times is not only about destruction, it is about transformation, the end of darkness, and the beginning of a world of justice, mercy, and divine guidance. After this, Judgment Day will come, and humanity will reach its eternal destiny.